Hello, welcome to our session Oracle VBCS Cloud. Today we are going to learn about search and delete data from business object. In previous video, we are creating one business object. We are store the employee registration detail. In previous video, we are creating search employee details from a business object. In previous video, we are update the details from a business object. In today, we will cover topic delete data from business object. How to delete record from business object in VBCS? To delete record from a business object in Visual Builder Cloud Services, specifically from an employee from a simple form-based interface, you need to set up both the backend view and the UI components. Here is a delete employee registration form, employee ID, employee name, a mobile email department. User will put your all value and hit the delete button. Delete record from a business object. Here is a pop-up notification showing the application. The code deletes successfully. Delete employee details. To delete employee details, you will typically use a delete request. Delete the record endpoint. Use the your BO name, for example employee ID method using the delete. Here is a search and delete employee details. Here is a heading application. Here is a update button. Here is a search button. Here is a update delete button. User will put the employee ID and hit the search button. Details show the all details from a input text, and user will update the any value, for example name. Update the change the name and hit the update button. Update the record from a business object. User will hit the delete button. Delete the record from a business object. Here is a record delete successfully. Today we will cover all topic step by step. Let's move to VBCS instance and then go to practice. Here is a VBCS instance. I have I have created search employee details. Here is a update employee details. Then I have created a delete employee from business object. Go to components tab, put the button component, drag the button component. Here is a button component, drag a button component. Here is a button component, and go to property, change the label name. Label name is a delete. Here is a label, change the label. Go to property, chroming is a danger. Sorry, here is a call to action chroming. User will search the employee ID and show the details, and user will change the name, then update the details from a business object, and user will delete the record from a business object. Hit the delete button. Here is a button. Go to property, then event listener. Here is a event. Here is a hit the plus icon. OJ action event. Here is a button action chain. Tab is a open. Here is a go to action chain and search the rest call. Here is a drag the rest call action chain. Select the endpoint. Here is endpoint tab. Business object. Today we will delete the record from a business object. To select the delete method, here is a delete action chain endpoint. Here is a delete endpoint is a delete employee, and map the employee ID. Here is a employee ID. Here is a variable name variable map to id to employee id. Here is a then save. User will hit the delete button, delete the record from a business object. I have drag the fire notification. Here is a fire notification. Here is a fire notification. So the message summary is delete successfully record. Delete record successfully. Delete record. Delete record successfully. Notification type is a confirmation. Then drag the reset variable. Here is a reset variable. Put the reset variable. Go to value. Value is a where imply. Then run the application. Our application is ready. Go to live mode. Here is go to design mode. Here is a design tab and preview and live mode. Here is a search and delete employee details. For example, search the employee details. Go to business object tab, search the employee, go to data. Employee ID is E002. Here is E00002. Hit the search icon. All record is a search from a table. Input text. Here is E002. Name is Ankit. Here is all details. And update the record from a business object. For example, change the name is Rahul Kumar and update the record. Hit the update button. Record update successfully. Go to business object data tab. Here is a data tab. Here is a refresh tab. Here is a Rahul Kumar. Record update successfully is a E002. Name is Rahul. Then delete the record from a business object. Hit the delete button. Here is a delete icon. Hit the delete button. Delete record successfully. Our record is deleted. Here is a business object data tab. Is the refresh. Here record E002 record delete is successful. For example, E00 search the ID is 003. Then hit the search icon. Here is a E003 is a detail. Go to delete button. Hit the delete icon. Tap the delete record successfully. Go to business object. Here is a 2 record. Then refresh. Here is a 1 record. Record delete successfully. Today we will cover all topic step by step. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you friends.